These children are not in self-isolation, but some of their friends are. Cleeve Park School in Sidcup is one of a number across the country that's advised pupils who've been on trips to Italy to stay at home. 11 closed completely. All the boys who've just returned from a ski trip with this London school have been told to self-quarantine if they're showing symptoms. Amanda Jones's son is one of them. You must be concerned. Are you concerned?
I'm not going to panic. I don't understand there have been any particular cases reported in this ski resort. I completely understand why they're being so careful, but I'm trying to stay calm about it at the moment.
Also taking precautionary measures is the school attended by Prince George and Princess Charlotte. Some pupils at Thomas's Battersea school have been advised to self-isolate after returning from northern Italy. Today, the Health Secretary chaired an emergency COBRA meeting to discuss the rapid spread of coronavirus across Europe. Earlier, he confirmed there were still only 13 cases in Britain and advised schools to try to stay open.
If anyone has been in contact with a suspected case in a childcare or an educational setting, no special measures are required while test results are awaited. There is no need to close the school or send other students or staff home.
The precautionary measures schools are taking are in response to the outbreak in northern Italy, the worst in Europe. 2 regions are in lockdown and nearly 400 cases have now been confirmed in the country. 12 people have died from the infection. And it's spreading across the continent. 11 other countries have now seen cases. Today, Greece confirmed its first, a woman who had recently travelled to northern Italy. So concerned about its spread, both the men's and women's Ireland v Italy Six Nations rugby match next week have been postponed. They're the first major public events in Europe to be cancelled due to the coronavirus.
And I know this is going to be a source of great disappointment to so many rugby fans right across our own country and indeed beyond in relation to the impact on the Six Nations. But I think it's the right decision. I don't think any minister will ever regret following the advice of our public health experts.
Cancelling mass gatherings is part of the government's strategy if the virus does take hold here. Some say at its worst it could infect thousands of people.
If we put it alongside seasonal influenza, in a bad year we can get more than 10,000 cases of seasonal flu. So it's not out of the question that we might get those kind of numbers.
Tonight, staff at this marketing company in central London were sent home when an employee who'd recently returned from an affected country became ill. The offices of Chevron Corporation in Canary Wharf were also closed this afternoon. It appears Britain is now on high alert. Emily Morgan, News at 10.